Hey guys, I'm Jacqueline.
And I'm Marcella.
And we're about to watch Teen Wolf Season 6, Episode 16. We're so excited!
We're really excited. I think that this episode's supposed to have Scott and Malaya.
Scott, Malaya,
So we're
and
supposed to get to
Liam
see
and
them.
Theo. I'm here
We're
for
ready.
it. Let's watch. Uh-oh, Nolan. Oh no! Teen Wolf, stop it! Stop it! I can't even watch.
How is this happening at school? Do they not have cameras at Beacon Hills?
Like, oh, he's gonna choke him.
He's gonna kill him.
Yeah, I know, there's no cameras either.
I mean, it's in the locker room, so I can understand that. But, like, are they not looking for these kids? Is, like, the teacher, like, I don't understand how this is happening.
It's Teen
And
Wolf.
do you see
Nolan?
Help him get rid of it. Gabe just showed me I can count on him, Nolan. Can I count on you?
Don't do it, Nolan.
Remember when Styles and Lydia used to sit next to each other and then the birds came through the window?
Yeah, and Styles jumped on her.
jumped and protected her. Remember that? Good times.
Because he was protecting his future wife.
Good times.
Yeah, nice time. Nice car that Mason has.
Yeah, Mason,
nice
where do you
work? Where does he work? Who pays his car?
Who pays his bill? Yay! Boyfriends together.
Let's try to shoot to kill. Go.
Don't third wheel them.
I want to be alone.
Lydia would kill me if anything happened to her car, anyways.
Oh, it's Lydia's car.
We're like, how is he driving this nice car? It's Lydia's car.
Styles probably goes in it frequently with her.
It worked.
They're here. They're all here. It's just Nolan and two other guys. This isn't gonna work. Where's the backup? Shouldn't there be like 20 of them? I mean, they only saw us, and they're not gonna believe Nolan. Okay. And they have to believe us. Isn't that right? Why are you yelling?
I don't think they're gonna make them happen.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's right. You always have a problem.
I don't feel like they're going in that
Shut up!
direction. They have such an aggressive friendship.
See that, Scott? Little beta can't even take a punch.
Huh?
What do you think? Okay, I did it. But did you actually have to punch me?
Oh my god!
See what I mean, Scott? He's only good at a fight when he's angry. So let's see just how angry he gets.
This is so hot.
That's so hot. Did you see a smirk?
We have 10 minutes. 10 minutes before Gerard's people flag this vehicle. Once that happens...
Do they not see what Lydia's doing?
Yeah, really? Do they not see the windshield's about to break?
Ooh.
Oh. Ooh.
Are you done? Or should we keep going? I think they're soft. You hurt my t-shirt. They broke my nose. Twice. It healed. Broke it again. 2 times. Three times.
I just love their dynamic.
I want them together.
We need a new plan.
Not a dumb one.
I'll bring the thermocharges.
We need them for the armory.
Explosion will buy you time, but not enough to get in and out safely.
Guys, how about using the
Lydia's
tunnels?
makeup is on point in this episode. Do you see her makeup?
Guys,
Yeah, it's
System?
Same problem.
guys, they're leaving.
I'm sure she's like a selfie, probably sent it to Styles this morning.
There's still 3 of them. It's been half an hour. Don't blame me. You're the one that picked the abandoned zoo. How are we doing in this place anyway? Because it's like Mykonos.
Like
The Greek island. In the city, they built these long, narrow, winding streets that all meet up with each other. Invaders would get lost in them like they were in a maze, trying to figure out which way to go. That's history. I'm impressed. Invaders actually show up.
Oh my god, they have really good chemistry.
Such good chemistry.
They just showed up.
Uh-oh, Gerard's here.
Gerard's gonna ruin their little date.
This music.
He's always been the villain though since the beginning. It's so like funny how he's full circle.
Let's go. We're supposed to be decoys, not target practice. Still working on that anger?
Fine.
Well, you can be angry at Nolan and stay alive. Come on. Fine, get caught.
Oh, Theo, you don't mean that.
No, he
You're
doesn't
not
mean
gonna
that,
leave
Leo. It's alright, he doesn't mean it. Actually, he probably does mean it,
He
but...
probably does, but he would be upset if anything happened to Leo.
Yeah.
Damn, Leo.
Oh my god,
Loki turned on. He's like, that was hot.
Did you hear a gunshot?
No, I didn't hear anything.
Uh-oh.
Lydia is...
Heard shell casings. I saw your windshield crack and then I heard it shatter.
Yeah, Lydia's onto something. Like she always is, but...
If you keep looking, he's gonna see you. Get back.
Just check him out.
Checked him out.
I'm not dying out here because you want payback against some kid who kicked your ass, okay?
They're building up this sexual frustration towards each other.
So
I'm
much.
so here for it.
Look at the
What's going on with you? This can't just be Nolan. Something around here is triggering you. I'm fine. What is it?
The hunters? You don't like cages, scared of heights?
I said I'm fine. They're up here!
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Oh, look at them holding hands right over the... She's leaning on him. Look at her leaning on him.
Oh man.
Uh-oh. Skelly is trapped together! Yes!
It's like a fanfic.
How long can a werewolf hold their breath?
I think we're about to find out.
Oh no.
That's like the
Oh my god, they're gonna think they're gonna die together.
That's like the airlock in the 100.
I would give anything for Tyler Posey to do that to me.
Oh, Dylan O'Brien.
Poor Dylan.
This is what it means to be part of the team.
Oh, that's so wrong. He's in a cage that says dangerous animals. Oh. Nolan!
She wants me to kill you. So kill me if I don't.
Oh, he's trying to fight his aggression. Oh, pain makes you, remember with Scott, pain makes you human.
Communications are shut
Freaking
down.
love Theo. The slow-mo on Teen Wolf.
Oh boy.
They're stuck on each other. They're laying on each other. Do you see them?
Oh my god. This is great.
Sounds great.
You don't even know what it is yet.
Well, I mean, it's great that you have a plan.
This is wonderful! Can they stay like this for the rest of the episode?
I'm thinking that's our way out.
We can't reach that.
I can reach it.
You might trip us out.
Trust me. Got this.
If I can buy
Why can that never happen to Stydia?
Why can't Stydia do that?
Oh my god, I'd be dead.
Good, look at Malia.
Go, Malia, go!
Oh. Oh no. Posey and Shelly had to cuddle on set. Like, can you imagine?
Posey was probably so turned on.
Right?
They both probably were. Look at him saving them. Saving the day.
Lydia! Yes! Yes, Lydia!
What? Where is she?
She's back in her house when she heard the phone.
I low-key thought that was Styles' room for a second.
Shut
and I was about
up.
to like die. Oh my god.
I don't want to die like this. Not like this.
The more you talk, the more oxygen they
I don't care. I'm not dying here.
Oh my god!
I'm supposed to go to France. I'm 18. I haven't been anywhere. There's so many things I want to do.
Oh my god, kiss.
She gonna kiss him?
Kiss.
She gonna kiss him? Kiss, 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 kiss,
Kiss.
kiss.
Come on, Scott. Kiss her.
Kiss her! Oh! No, they can't kiss. That'll take up too much oxygen.
I think we'll stop a bullet, not a banshee.
They're building them up.
Really?
Here for it? Come on, Lydia. He might give her CPR.
Yes!
Oh, Lydia's saving
Lydia!
them.
Remember when she saved Styles like
Yes.
that? And then Stydia kissed? Remember that? Oh, Lydia saving the day! Styles will be so proud.
These two are still together. The
I
music.
knock you out. How many times? 5. I almost killed him, didn't I? Almost. But you broke your hands trying not to. I guess that's something.
Next time you come up with a plan like this, pick a place that doesn't trigger a murderous rage.
I didn't know this was gonna happen.
Whether you meant it or not, you picked the spot. You made the plan. You wanted me to help.
I needed your help for anything. Be so I get angry enough to kill you myself.
You brought me here because that thing that came out of the wild hunt is affecting you too. You need to figure this out before you completely lose it.
The inhibitor causes fear. It doesn't cause anger.
People only feel one emotion at a time. Which is why you get angry when you're afraid. That's why you almost tore Nolan's head off.
He knows him.
If the inhibitor can do this to me, what do you think it's doing to everyone else?
Was an actual like.
If they don't make these two canon, that is such a waste.
Remember what I said out there when the air was running out?
You mean about going to France?
I mean about all the things I said I haven't done and all the things I still want to do.
Yeah.
This is one of them.
Oh my god! That was unexpected! That was beautiful! Oh! That was so unexpected!
Oh my gosh, that was so great. That was done so great.
She just was like, this is one of them. Look at her pulling his hair! Damn!
I am here for this.
I'm so here for this!
Yes.
Oh my god! that was a good makeout scene that they just did. What am I saying?
Oh, Lydia like felt
She
that
just
coming.
saved them all. Oh! Styles should be on top of Lydia. Styles and Lydia should have been hugging each other here.
I know, I always think of like, oh, where would Styles be in this scene? It sucks. How are they gonna get out of this?
They need the FBI. It's the only thing. We need the FBI. We need Styles.
That's right, yeah.
Call your boyfriend.
Right now. They really do need backup. This is getting out of hand.
Yeah, this is getting bad now. Look at Sally on top of each other now, like. But.
That shower scene's coming so soon, I bet. I think next episode.
Yeah. That episode was good.
Yeah, that episode was really good. I liked last
really-
week's better, but this
Yeah,
one
me
was
too.
actually pretty good. It was
But
a solid
I
episode.
really loved Scott and Malia and their canon. Yay!
Scott and Malia, I love their first kiss scene. They just went for it, and it was just
It was
really
so
great.
unexpected,
It was
though.
unexpected.
Like, it was-
I loved it.
it was
I
just
thought that-
there.
I love how they just made it unexpected, and it was.
Yeah, like that conversation
before that,
was like.
before that, we got the whole big scene. Like that was building up the
Yeah,
whole episode.
it
with them.
was.
Like she was just like they were.
I
waiting
know,
to
I
do
love
that.
that scene when she was like laying on
Oh,
it.
it was just like
So
on top of
good.
you know that was all building up to that
Yeah.
scene with that.
But
when they kissed.
you definitely felt that chemistry between Shelley and Posey. Like I really felt that. Like,
definitely.
but yeah, that kiss scene, she just went for what she wanted, and I love that. Like I love how like she didn't care at that moment because she could have died, and she knows that, and so she just went for him. And I thought we were gonna have to wait like until episode like 18
Yeah,
for
I
them
like
to
how they
actually
didn't-
kiss.
they didn't
so I'm
make
happy
us
that they
wait.
gave it to
Yeah.
us right away in 16. That was really good. Okay.
Liam
Theo.
and Theo. If they don't make those two canon, guys,
It's
such a
hard
waste,
to
honestly.
tell.
Okay, I think the actors have good chemistry together. Like
Yeah.
in the way that the scenes are playing out, it just seems to me like they would be really, really good romantically together.
They would.
But I don't know if that's where they're trying to take it on the
It's
show.
hard
It's hard
to
to tell if
tell.
they're trying to make it romantic or more just
like a
they-
bromance type
yeah,
of thing,
more like a friendship.
Yeah.
because I don't know.
I
It's hard to tell. I want them to make them like a
Yeah,
thing.
I do too.
I'm not sure
but
if
I
they
don't
will
know.
though. If they'll make them like get into a relationship, I'm not sure if they
Yeah.
would do that because it is ending the show like soon. But they just
I
made
know.
Scott and Malia together.
So you never know. You never know.
But I would love
I don't know if
to
they're
see
gonna
them
give.
together. I think that could be really just.
Yeah.
They have such amazing chemistry. I think that could be
They
such
might.
a great ship.
They really could. I don't know if the
I'm
writers
shipping it.
feel that Theo is deserving of a happy ending like that, with like all like ending up with somebody at the end and like riding off into the sunset. Like I don't know,
on Team,
he has.
Team Scott.
He's definitely been on Team Scott and part of the pack and everything. But for his past, I don't know. I mean, I love Theo. I want him to have that, but I want the writers to give it to him. But I don't know. It's hard to tell.
I don't know if they will, but I'm shipping it anyway.
I'm shipping it anyway. Whatever. I'm on board the ship. It's already sailing. I mean, it's not like canon yet, but like we're on it. So I really miss Styles so much.
I feel like we watch the show and we're kind of like, oh, what Styles doing this scene? What would we be doing now? He would be like, oh, going on top of Leia, and it's annoying. But I think Dylan's coming back soon, and we're getting close to the end of the show, which is really sad.
Yeah, we are getting close to the end, and it sucks because I feel like I talk about this like a lot, like on Twitter. I feel like, but we're counting down really until we get to see Styles again, and by the time we see him again, the show's gonna be over. And you know, it really sucks, but I'm excited to see what's gonna happen.
This episode was really good. We're excited to see what's gonna happen, for more characters to be brought in that we're waiting for.
Yeah, Deucalion's coming next week.
Deucalion's coming next week.
Jackson and Ethan are coming back too soon. Yeah, we haven't seen any. I know everybody's like, oh, react to Jackson and Ethan. We don't do the sneak peeks, guys, because we don't want to be spoiled for when we watch the actual epispisode, because then it goes in our reaction video anyway. So yeah, let us know what you guys thought about this episode down in the comments below. What did you guys think of Scalia, like Scott and Malia?
Yes, let us know.
What did you think of Liam and Theo, and what do you guys think is gonna happen? And let us know if you're missing Styles as much as we are, because we really miss them.
Yep, so give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for more Teen Wolf reaction.
Follow us on Twitter. We are at City of the Feels, and that's also our Snapchat.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.